In this video, we are going to create a free opt-in page using the service. The main reason I choose the service is because it's free of cost. You don't have to actually pay any money to start using the service, and you don't even need a credit card to actually sign up for this. As you can see, you can do a lot of things with this system, and for this example will be just creating an opt-in page that you can use to capture some emails. In order to get started, you can just click on the button there and just enter your email address and just click on get started for free. That will send a confirmation mail to your inbox, and just clicking on it will set your password. Since I already have it, I'm just signing into my account and I'm just showing you how the dashboard looks like. This is how the dashboard looks, the minimalistic dashboard, and from the funnels you can just start building your opt-in page. If it's a new created account, you won't see anything because I've been testing it for a while. You are seeing that funnel there. Just click on create and it will start creating the new opt-in page. You can give it a name. For this example, we can give opt-in page. You can also select the goal for this particular opt-in page. For this example, we'll be using it for building an audience. You can also do sell, and you can do custom and run an evergreen webinar. Those are all the other options. For just this example, we'll stick with build an audience. And for the currency, we can just we have a number of currencies that we can choose from. For this example, we'll be sticking with euro as the default, and just click on save. That will just set up everything for us, and we just need to actually click on it, and that will open up the templates library where we can choose. There are many templates for different needs. You can select one that fits your need, or you can just start from scratch. For this example, we are choosing something for an opt-in page which is really simple. So for the opt-in page example, I think this is a good fit, and you can give that a name so that we can remember it and reference it in the future. And we can also add a custom URL path. Just give it the name that you like and just click on save. There is no autosave function, so always remember to save it once you make any changes there. You can also add custom domains here without having to pay anything extra. So once just showing you that option is also available if you want it. I'll show you where you can find the custom option. You have to go to the settings, then there you can do custom domain, and there you can do the setup. You can add your domain there, so that function is available. Just want to share you. So once when you click on that funnel, I'll just show you how you can edit the basic opt-in page. You can also set up a thank you page here. There are a number of templates related to the thank you page as well. For this, we can select this template. It's a small simple template, so we can also give it a custom URL to make it look good. We can give it a thank you, and like in the previous step, don't forget to save any changes that you make. And you can also drag and drop the steps. That's also really handy to have. You can even add more steps to make it complicated. For this, we'll be sticking to very minimal opt-in page. You can set up automation rules here. You can add rules and triggers that can lead to several actions. You can do A/B testing, split testing, and stats are also available, and sales information can also be found here. You can see the deadline settings, and leads details can also be found in this section. Just click on the edit page, will take you to this page where you can actually start editing everything. Everything is easy to customize. You can just delete the text just like that. If you would like to change the button settings, then click on the gear button. You can add and reduce and increase the margin. You can also change the colors of the button. You have a lot of customization options available. You have the option to add a background image. Just select, click on the gear and go and just get the image from your computer or from somewhere. After everything is done, you can just save changes. That will save the template. And if you want, you can just click on preview button to see how it looks in the preview mode. So don't use the URL in the preview mode. In order to actually promote this, you need to get that URL that we saw in the main dashboard where we changed the URL. You can just click on the button that will copy the opt-in page URL to your clipboard. You can just test it out and see how it looks once it loads. So as you can see, it's loading perfectly, and that's how it looks. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. With a little bit of time and effort, you can easily create an opt-in page without a website using this service. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to see more, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and happy email list building.